Hi, my name's Milo, and I'm going to be talking about AC motors and how they relate to our class. Okay, so I'm going to go over kind of how an AC motor works and kind of how to make one. So first off, you need an electromagnet. It's kind of the whole basis of what you do. And to do that, you can wrap a nail or some sort of conductive piece of metal with a wire and charge that with a battery. This will create an electromagnet and create a north and south pole, and you can turn that on and off with the current. And you can also switch that if you switch the flow of electrons, which I'll talk about later. Okay, so how does it work? This is how it relates to our class and the relationship between current and magnetism. The nail becomes the core, and as we know, like the current travels on the outside. But the direction, which is important for AC motors, alternating current motors, is done with the right-hand rule. So if the current's flowing the one way, we'll get a north and south pole, let's say on the right side and the left side, and then if we switch that, it'll be on the left side and the right side, and that is dictated by our right-hand rule, and we've done a lot of that in class. So here's a little pictorial representation of it in action. Basically, every half turn, the current is switching to the electromagnet, which swaps the poles and then makes our whatever that piece is turning be attracted to the other direction. And so that happens every half turn, and it can be actually really efficient and spin at really high speeds. And because it can be so efficient and spin at really high speeds, it can be used in many different types of applications. I think probably the newest and sexiest is in electric cars, but anything, lots and lots of things with any sort of motor are alternating current motors, because in a large way they're really simple and they're quite reliable. Direct current motors are also used, but and they have their own strengths and weaknesses, but pumps, machine tools, and a plethora of things all use alternating current motors. Thank you.